Today I'm going to show you how to make a magic ring, also known as a magic circle. You'll start by wrapping the yarn around your hand toward you twice. Hold the yarn tail with your thumb. Insert your hook under the front piece of yarn, pulling up the back piece of yarn, and twist your hook to create a loop. Then you'll chain one. Carefully slide the magic ring off of your fingers and work your single crochet stitches around the adjustable loop. After you've made the required number of stitches, hold your last stitch made and pull on the yarn tail until your magic ring is closed. And you've just completed your first round of stitches using a magic ring.